Man called Rambo.
Oh,
Why them call you Rambo?
call me the Hills man.
How many years?
Lots of years, man. Over 20 odd years.
So you're a farm, you're the real. How you keep up the pace, man?
Yeah?
How you? It's a humbling thing.
It's a live thing.
You have more time than money now, right now.
Mm.
You say you go find how many years now?
First time.
Yeah.
First time go to work, man.
How long you spent?
8 months.
What was that like?
Good. Yeah, man.
You
Hard
want,
work, but it's good.
you want to go back? Is it for the opportunity or?
Opportunity. Oh, man, it's about making money. Yeah. So it's good to make the money. Because at the end of the day, you're working there. Every week you get paid. Every week you had your check to collect, so you know you had money. So all you need to do the people then work.
Sometimes out here, based on the weather, you don't get paid.
Out here?
Yeah.
No, you're mostly self-employed out here. So self-employed don't get paid until your crop come in. But when you're working for other people, like weekly work or every 2 weeks, you get paid. Yeah. But good, man, good to work.
So you save up.
Yeah.
Are you going back?
Yeah.
Them like your work?
Yeah, man. I never tell them that I can't manage no work.
Yeah.
No. If they even have work and say left over for tomorrow, I say, no, man, we're going to do this work tonight.
What do you think the government should do to give more farmers opportunity? Do a lot of the farmers around here get opportunity
So,
to go out?
well, I don't know, you know. I never go and, I don't go and farm work, you know. I go on hotel program.
Okay.
So I go and work in the hotel industry.
And they contacted you or you had to do your own searching?
Yeah, you do your own searching.
You went to the US?
Yeah.
How did you deal with the Corps?
Man, I was in sharp pants like you right through the time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You deal with it?
Yeah. Thanksgiving Day I was in my sharp pants.
What was,
Saying, wow.
well,
To live here 20 years.
and the name Rambo, who gave it to you?
People just like see how me move and they say, man, this man moving like on the Rambo move like this kind of, the way this man move, so the Rambo move that way.
And how many acres of yam or farm you've ever planted in your life?
Well, probably 2 acres.
And you plant how much?
But sometimes you don't have the amount of land in 2 acres like in one patch. You have it here, have piece here, another piece here, just like how Baba them have some there, some up there. That's how we work.
So sometimes it's 2 miles to go to your bush.
No, you know, really 2 miles. Like a 15-minute walk.
Okay.
Where me coming from now is my 10-minute walk to the street.
So you come from America, you did your work and you're back in the farm.
Yes.
You love the farm?
Yes. And I'm gonna just continue working the farm till they're ready back for me to go again. I will work like today, I'm gone tomorrow.
Alright.
Yes.
Respect, sir.
Yes, I'll see you later.
Yeah, man.
Have some animal look back this side too.
To the world.
Yeah.
Respect.
Alright.
You'll see it on YouTube, Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, good life.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna stop by. Just come from the bush. I need to hit the gym. I'm not as fit as these farmers. Walk like a mile in the bush. All right.